How to clear cookies in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Ensure cookies and other site data is selected along with any other data you wish to clear. Choose a time range from the drop-down menu, for example, last hour, last 24 hours, all time. Click Delete from this device. Clearing cookies can help resolve certain website issues and improve your privacy. Done.